Hello, my name is Denise Rockman, Product Manager for Smart Solutions at Lincoln Electric. Today I'm excited to introduce a new product to our data collection product line, the ArcLink IoT module, which allows data collection capabilities between ArcLink-based FlexTech machines. The product is designed to connect directly with Lincoln Electric's cloud-based checkpoint platform and collect weld data and store in the checkpoint cloud. The cloud connectivity then allows the user to access the data through laptop, phone, or tablet. The checkpoint dashboard displays productivity and consumption, arc time, deposition, gas flow, overall equipment effectiveness, and operating factor. You can also view from an individual station or the company as a whole. The ArcLink IoT module can be connected via Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet. There are built-in magnets on the back for portable use, or brackets to mount in a stationary position on the front of the machine. On the front of the machine, you can also see real-time weld data. For more information on the ArcLink IoT module or other Lincoln Electric products, please visit lincolnelectric.com.